Hello friends, this is Sunand Subramanium here, commodity fundamental analyst from Equity Broking Pvt Ltd. And today I'll be talking about the Bullion Index. Bullion Index is a new index that is likely to be launched by MCX in the coming weeks. This index was majorly made for attracting of retail investors who would like to invest a small amount of portfolio or a huge chunk of portfolio in the commodities market to have an overall understanding of the commodities market. The risk reward ratio is also very good, which is another clear factor that can help the retail investors to get the maximum amount of profits. Moreover, I will be talking about some of the key features of the Bullion Index. The first key feature of the Bullion Index is that it has majorly two constituents, that is gold and silver, and the two constituents are divided into 70 to 30 ratio, which is a clear indication that the Bullion Index should be having more reaction to the gold prices as compared to the silver prices. In addition to that, the tick size is rupee 1 and the lot size is 50 rupees, and which also clearly indicates that with every movement in 1 rupee you will actually make a profit of 50 rupees. Moreover, I'll be talking about the contracts. The contracts is basically in every 3 months, and the tender period usually begins 2 months prior to the expiry. Expiry is majorly determined by the exchange, and further details will be actually given by the exchange in the coming weeks. Moreover, we will be actually like to give you more highlights on the Bullion Index. Is that the initial margin is minimum of 5%, and the span may differ from time to time based on the upcoming regulations. In addition to that, the due date expiry price will be actually determined by the weighted average price in the last working day, that is during the time of 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening hours, and the weighted average price volume will be the last closing price of the due date. Moreover, we will actually be covering on this Bullion Indexes is that it is also mainly for those retail investors who is looking as an hedging opportunity or an arbitrage opportunity to control the risk that they incur while investing in mega or mini options or mega or mini futures of the gold and silver contracts. And lastly, I would like to tell you is that it is also cash settled, which is another clear factor that the Bullion Index is very good for retail investments in the longer durations. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading day.